Hello first graders, welcome to a new math lesson. We're still on topic 3, today's lesson number 5. So please get your paper ready, make a table. Alright, in the previous lesson you learned how to use a part and missing part, whole part, and we were using the frame. Today we will be learning how to make different ways to make number 5 or number 10. So let's start. We have the table here and we're going to use our counters, all the colors or crayons if you have, whatever you have available to help you to answer these questions. All right, so we're doing 5. So we need different ways of making 5. So your whole numbers for this exercise, this page, whole number will be 5. You're going to know parts and you need to get that missing part. So let me see. I got, for example, my 5 counters. Okay, your whole number is 5. All right, so this is your whole number. Let's say if I know 2, so what's my basic part? So let's write first 2, and the missing part is 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So the missing part is 3. So this is the part I know, 2, and the missing part is 3. All right. Here's my 5 again. The part I know is 1. So this is the part I know, 1. So how many missing? 2, 3, 4, 5. How many counters did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Your total is 5. I know them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing hidden. So the part you know 5, and the missing part is nothing because I have them all. So the missing part is 0. All right. But if I know 3, so this is the part I know. I'm going to write down, this is the part I know, 1, 2, 3. So the missing part is, after 3, 4, 5. How many did I add? 2. 2. So this is different ways to make 10 by using a table. All right, let's have fun with this exercise. Read and understand. The bears and the lions want to cross the sea. Only 10 animals can fit on the boat. Show the ways then can go on the boat. So we need to show how many ways we can use it so we can help the animals to move. But in mind, the boat only can take, we only have 10 and there's only 10 animals can fit, so we need to know that. I can make a table to show how many bears and how many lions. All right. Bears, so first I can take the 10 lions and I have 0 bears. So the table shows all the ways that the bears and the lion can go on the boat. So let me have my I'm using the counters. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's say this is your line. So we have 10 lines. And then we need 10 bears. 2, make sure they're loose. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So now I have 10 lines and 10 bears, right? They need to cross to the other side of the ocean or something, or the beach, but they're gonna take a boat. The boat only fit 10, so I need to find 10 ways. I'm gonna use my table, help me to find 10 ways to help the animals cross to the other side using their boat. All right, so I can say, all right, I'm gonna take, this is the bears, I'm gonna take all the bears one time and no lines. So this is a way. So you get, or do the opposite, because the example starts with the opposite. So you have 0 bears, so this is your bears and this is your line. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna leave all the bears and I'm taking all the lines. So I'm shipping all the lines, take all 10 and I leave this. So how many I took? I took 10 lines and 0 bears. I didn't take any bears with me. All right. I can take 9 lines and 1 bear. So 9 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is my 9 lines and then 1 bear. So this is all will remain here. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1. So 9 lines and 1 bear. I can take 2. This time I'm gonna take 2 bears and 8 lines. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, because 8 and 2 makes 10. I'm gonna take 3 bears and you got it, 7 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 lines and 3 bears. Okay, I'm gonna take 1 more extra bear, but I'm gonna take away 1 line. So let's see how many lines now I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many bears? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 and 4 makes 10. All right, gonna remove, take away 1 line. I'm gonna add 1 bear. So let's see how many bears and how many lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. All right, I'm gonna have more bears and take 1 line. So let's count how many bears now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bears. How many line? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's your 4 line. 1 more. And I'm gonna remove 1 line. So let me see how many bears now I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bears. 1, 2, 3, 3 lines. All right, I'm gonna take 1 more line and I add 1 bear. So let's count how many bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many lines? 1, 2. That's 8 and 2. And then I have, I'm gonna add 1 exactly, 1 bear, and I take away 1 line. So let's count how many bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I got 9 bears and 1 line. And then I'm gonna send the last bear, and I already have no lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because I can't have more than 10 in a boat, remember? So I'm gonna send 10. So 10 plus nothing. So this is 10 ways in your table to show you how to make 10. 0 and 10 equals 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 3 and 7 equals 10. 4 and 6 equals 10. 5 and 5 6 and 4, 7 and 3, 8 and 2, 9 and 1, and 10 plus 0 or nothing. All right. So let's do this exercise together. Okay, guided practice. Question number 1. Make a table to solve problems. Manuel buys 5 balloons. He can pick from green and orange. You're gonna buy 5 only. He can pick from green and orange. Okay? Okay. Show the ways he can pick balloons. So, we have my green and orange markers. Okay. If he first have no green and he took all his 5 balloons, so the 5 will be orange. Let me use this on a pencil. So 0 green and 5 orange, right? What's the other choice? 1, very good. 1 green and let me write it there. So 1 green, because there are total 5. So if I take 1 green, what's left? 4 orange. Awesome. 4 orange. Very good. Now I'm gonna take more green. So I'm gonna take 2 greens. Very good. So 2 green balloons. That means I'm taking 1 less orange. So the oranges will be only 3 balloons, because 2 and 3 makes 5. 1 and 4 makes 5. 0 and 5 makes 5. So now I have 2 green balloons and 3 orange balloons. Total 5. Your number 5. Okay, so what's my 4th choice? I can have more green. I'll take 1 more green. So I have 3 green balloons, and that's mean I'm taking 1 less orange. So less than 3 will be 2. 1 less than 3 is 2. So now I have 3 green balloons and 2 orange balloons. All right. I need more green, so I'm gonna add 1 more green. 1 to the 3 will be 4 green. So now I have 4 green balloons, and of course I will be having 1 less than 2 is very good, 1. So I'm gonna have 1 orange balloon. Remember, they all have to add them together. You need to be 5, not more than 5. So 4 and 1 makes 5, 3 and 2 makes 5, 2 and 3 makes 5, 1 and 4 makes 5, nothing and 5, 0 and 5 equals 5. And now the last choice here, Manuel buy all green balloons. So he's gonna buy all the 5 balloons. He can have them green, and then he's not gonna buy any orange because he only have 5. So if he get them all greens, that means he have nothing in orange, right? Very good. All right, let's see number 2. If Manuel buys 3 green balloons, how many orange balloons does he buy? If he buys 3 green balloons, how many orange? Very good, 2. Because I know 3 and 2 makes 5, right? All right, do you understand? How do you know you found all the ways Manuel can pick his balloons? How do we know that we find all the ways? How do you know that there's no other way to make 5? When you find all the parts that if you add them together to make 5. Because this is all the ways. Let's say, here's I have 5 counter. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. So this is all the ways I cannot make 5. There is no other way that I can make number 5. So see, this is your counters. So how do you know? How do you know that? How do you know you found all the ways that Manuel can pick his balloons? There are no other ways to make 5, because look, in each row I've reached is already 5. All right, so I'm gonna write here, there are no other ways to make 5, because in each row, see the parts up, add them up to make 5. In each row, the parts, if I add them together, they will make 5. 2, 5. All right. Okay. Let's go for independent practice. All right. Complete the table to solve the problems. Julie is planting 10 flowers. She can pick from tulips and roses. So she's gonna plant 10 flowers. And her choices, or she have 2 choices, either she can get tulips or roses, but total they need to be 10. Okay, Julie started to show the ways she can plant the flowers. Finish Julie's plant or table. So this is how she starts. She started with 5 tulips. So let's say, consider this is my tulip, they're yellow, and I'm gonna use the red counters as it's the roses. Okay. All right, total 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So her first choice was 5 yellow tulips. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yellow. So what do you think the second choice would be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. 5. Okay. I don't know the tulip, but I know that she has 6 red roses. So I'm going to have 6 red roses. So this is 6. They need to be 10. So I have to make sure I have 10. So if she had 6 now, 6 roses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that means she has less 1 in yellow. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So how many she has in yellow? 4. I'm going to write 4 here. Very good. Right. Now she has how many yellow? 2. She has 2 yellow. That means the rest should make 10. So let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many she has in red now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So she will have 8 roses. So if she decides to only buy 2 tulips in yellow or plant 2 yellow tulips, that means the rest from the 10 will be red. And if I know my whole number is 10, the part I know 2, so the missing part will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now she said, no, you know what? I'm buying all red roses. 10 red roses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So if she has them all 10, and that's her, or what she can have. She cannot have more than 10 flowers. That means she's gonna have how many yellow? Nothing. She's gonna have 0. Very good. So now, if she decided to have more yellow, so we're gonna count all our yellows. She has 9 yellows. So how many left from 9 to make 10? Very good. 1. Okay? Now, this is, what do you think we can do here? She can decide to have, remember she had before all 10 in red and she has nothing in yellow. She might have all 10 in yellow tulips and nothing in roses. So she can have this 10 and nothing here. She decided to have them all yellow tulips. Okay, now if she decided to have 3 yellow, here's 3 yellow. So how many she needs to make 10? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So she's gonna have 7 roses. Okay, I'll leave these 3 choices or 3 other parts left on your table to finish them. So we're done till here. All right. Let's do number 4. If Julie plants 4 tulips, okay, how many roses does she plant? She plants 4 in yellow. So how many? 6. If she has 4 in yellow, here's my 4. So this is the part I know, and my total is 10. So if I go back to my paper, this is a 10. This is my whole number. And this is the part I know, 4. So the missing part would be after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if she plants 4 in yellow, she will be having 6 red roses to plant. All right. So over here we're gonna write 6. So you only have 1, 2, 3, 4 other choices for Julie to have to plant her garden and which flowers she will buy. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll do that for me. All right, here you go. If she gets 7 yellows, what's her choices for red? If she has 4 reds, how many yellow tulips she can buy? And if she has only 1 yellow, how many roses she can buy in red? And if she has 2 roses, how many tulips, yellow tulips can buy? All right, that's it for today, first graders. I'll leave you with this activity to continue. Thank you, bye-bye.